Look at this. Lieutenant Max has totally obliterated my little mosquito grass. Now he is currently over there wrestling. All right, Lieutenant Max, I got a ball. You ready? Go get it. Hey, I want to show you something because I find this a little bit amusing. You probably would not normally see these things in a black person's refrigerator. I mean, if I didn't know any better, I would know that this was my house that looks like this. Just one shelf. I want to show you just one shelf. Let me see. Take a look, see. Start off. Look at this. I mean, we have Micah's oat milk. And we have heavy whipping cream for whatever, I guess, cooking. Of course, my little peach Bellini. Mercy's almond silk vanilla. Okay. Let me move this for a sec. And then we have some orange juice, which is okay, normal. My 2% milk. Everybody talks about 2%. Micah got me this oat milk creamer because she wants me to try to see if I want to convert to oat milk. Because of course she's what they call it, lactate intolerant. We have a Cran Tropical. This is pretty good. Usually I just like cranberry juice, but this was something different. Here we have our refrigerated coffee. So that when we want to make iced coffee, we just use our Italian sweet cream and the cold coffee, and you have your nice iced coffee. Nestle Pure Life water. Club soda? Really? Club soda? A drink mixer. Hey, what do you think? And last but not least, aloe vera. I don't have a clue what Micah uses these things for. But between Micah and Mercy, this looks like some bougie frou-frou white person's refrigerator because black people don't usually have this kind of stuff in their fridge on a normal basis. Just wanted to share that. I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I'm home, and my sister, she sent me a message about her refrigerator, asking her, does it look different than how, I guess, the persona she's supposed to be in? I'm wondering if mine's live up to the good male's bachelor's pad. So I'm going into my refrigerator and I'm going to show and ask about a couple items. And she went through her stuff and was kind of worried about what's inside. So here's what's my refrigerator. So inside my refrigerator, I've got stuff, pizza. So pizza boxes with no pizza in it. And yeah, I've got some cheese, and it can't be sliced. It's got to be shredded a different way. Plate, no, I ate the rest of the meat, I guess. The socks are supposed to keep the moisture down. That's what I learned inside the bars. And the hot dogs, this was left for Scuttles and Karen. They're supposed to eat it. I know the people got mad at me for eating and throwing away Jada's food when she left, so I'm saving their hot dogs for them. Ooh, sauces. I can hold it. Ooh, I'm gonna keep those sauces for later. I can use that. This is for iced coffee. Some turkey bacon, and I think the socks are working a little too well. It's drying up my bacon. Maybe I'll go down to one sock. Nothing there, nothing there. The milk, I think it's still good. Tastes good. Tastes odd. I'm still recovering from the COVID, and my taste buds ain't quite right. I got Scooby Snacks for Lieutenant Max. Actually, these Scooby Snacks with the COVID non-taste, they're all right. I guess we'll get we'll take a pack. But yes, in the freezer, I've got a bunch of freezer burnt chicken and some other stuff my sister's put in there. Corn mesh. I have no clue what that is. And whatever corn nuggets are, I don't know what they like, but that's what they had. And I'm not throwing their stuff away and getting in trouble again. No, not me. So that stuff's going to stay until they come back and eat it. Lieutenant Max, come. Lieutenant Max, I got some Scooby Snacks for you. Come on. Up. Yes, Lieutenant Max. We got some Scooby Snacks. Here, take it. Take it. Good job. Yeah. So, do y'all think I'm in a good bachelor pad? Alright, after a 2-hour lecture with the Council of Sisters, I have cleared out the pizza box, the socks, and I'm supposed to get some baking powder to put inside the refrigerator. Alright. I'm taking this plate of empty meat out, but I also need help with somebody doing the dishes here. So, any volunteers want to come visit me, then yeah, y'all can help out.